Hello everyone, my name is Anton Bolling. I'm the executive chef of Fiola Mare in Washington, D.C. at the Georgetown waterfront. Today I have for you this beautiful Branzino from the Mediterranean. Today I want to teach you an ancient cooking method that we like to use here, and that is cooking in salt crust. For me, the most important ingredient obviously is salt. I use a fine ground kosher salt, and then to add a little bit of spice to it, I like to use some cloves, which has some nice pepperiness, and a little bit of allspice, which really perfumes the salt and the flesh of the fish as it cooks. The first thing we do is we take these ingredients here, the lemons, the rosemary, and the bay leaf, and we stuff it inside the fish. The next thing we do is to toast these spices, just very gently in a pan, just until you start to smell them. You take the spices and the food processor, buzz them, and then you're going to mix them with the salt and a little bit of water. The texture you're looking for is wet sand. All right, everyone knows what wet sand's like. We built a sandcastle at the beach during the summer. This is the texture that you want, okay? Just crumbling away, falling apart in your hand. I have for you this beauty here that we've already started, okay? It's almost ready to go in the oven. And the salt, we're going to cover it, all right? So it's a thin layer, not too much. But all you're trying to do is just seal in the moisture, the natural moisture and flavors of the fish. This is our final product, all right? Going into the oven, you're going to want a 400-degree oven. This Branzino is about 2 pounds. I usually leave it in there for about 15 minutes and then allow it to rest for another 5, just so when you crack into it, it's not too hot. I use a spoon and a fork, and it's very simple. You just... And so we're just clearing away the salt. Now, you peel back the skin here. Now, this is the belly piece where all the fat is. Fat is always flavor. But what we like to serve here at Fiola Mare with our salt crust Branzino is just a little bit of Salsa Verde. The reason we like it, the herb and the lemon and the olive oil add a nice bit of freshness to help cut through the richness of the fish, but they really, really complement and highlight the natural flavors of the fish itself. Good. And now, try it. Salsa Verde really brightens up the fish. The beautiful thing is you can taste the aroma of the clove and the allspice. You get the freshness of the lemon, and you have a nice pungent saltiness to it, but it's not over salty. The taste of the ocean. Again, my name is Anton Bolling, the executive chef of Fiola Mare at the Georgetown waterfront in Washington, D.C. Thank you for allowing me in your home. I hope to see you soon in the restaurant to come and try our beautiful salt crust and Branzino. But if you're doing it at home, I hope this video helped, and why don't you send us a picture and tag at Fiola Mare DC and show us what you've done. We'd love to see it.